Hey everyone, welcome back to Bez Reviews. If you're looking to automate your floor cleaning, this robot vacuum might be for you. Check the link in the description for the best price. Today we're diving into the Lefant M2 Plus robot vacuum and mop. Let's start by looking at how this robot vacuum actually performs its core tasks and the convenience it offers. This chart focuses on the fundamental cleaning power and ease of use, highlighting the suction capabilities, navigation technology, and the convenience of its self-emptying station. With a formidable 6,000 pascals of suction power, this robot vacuum easily tackles dirt, dust, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. The 360 LiDAR mapping technology allows for precise navigation and intelligent route planning, ensuring no spot is missed. The 75-day self-emptying station is a standout feature, offering incredible convenience by holding dirt and debris for extended periods. This robot vacuum scores well on its main duties, offering powerful suction and intelligent navigation with great convenience from its self-emptying feature. Next, we'll look at the additional features, smart connectivity options, and the overall value this robot vacuum brings. Here we evaluate the smart functionalities, connectivity options, and how all the features come together to present a compelling value proposition for consumers. With carpet detection for dry carpets and app controls for zone cleaning, this robot offers smart customization for your home. The inclusion of dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4G and 5G networks, ensures a stable and responsive connection for app control. Considering its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and the significant convenience of its self-emptying base, this vacuum offers strong value. While it includes a mopping feature, it functions more as a light damp wipe rather than a deep cleaning mop. Smart connectivity and useful features like carpet detection provide a well-rounded experience, making this a solid value proposition. Overall, the Lefant M2 Plus robot vacuum and mop stands out with its powerful 6,000 pascal suction and advanced LiDAR navigation for smart, systematic cleaning. The 75-day self-emptying station is a huge win for convenience, reducing how often you need to manually empty the dustbin. While its mopping function is decent, it truly excels as a vacuum. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting a hands-off cleaning solution for their home, especially with its dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity for reliable control. This robot vacuum earns a strong recommendation.